Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Snyder, and this is my first video log for my Hackaday project for a web-connected hydroponics grow system. I'm going to show you some of the parts I've already assembled now. I'm going to hopefully show you the functional grow light as I have it currently, and I'm going to show you bits and pieces while I talk to you about some of my motivations and my thoughts about the project. So without further ado, here is my current monstrosity of an LED grow light. Basically, the idea behind this project is I've always been fascinated by hydroponic systems, by LEDs, and combining some of the high-tech ideas of food production and growth in the future with just basically basic things like growing plants. So what I have here is a large LED, for scale, here's my hand, a large heatsink. Let me rotate this here so you can get an idea of what it looks like. A large heatsink, 16 inches long, and each of the LEDs are mounted on top there. Here we've got 30 3-watt, supposedly 3-watt LEDs. I'll talk a little bit about that in one of my project logs. These are connected to two Meanwell 700 milliamp constant current power supplies. Two because I've got effectively 64 watts of LEDs, and each one of those power supplies only outputs 36 watts. Those will be connected, ultimately, to this guy. This is a SparkCore relay board. Basically, it's a series of AC, DC power relays for a slot for this guy right here. SparkCore Arduino compatible. I don't think they call it Arduino compatible. Basically it's a microcontroller connected to the internet, connected to an API, and it can run Arduino compatible microcontroller core. This guy will plug on here, like so, and that will allow me to flip these relays on and off based on web connections, web requests, or with built-in intelligence to the Arduino code itself that will be on the microcontroller. All of this will be housed in a nice waterproof box that I got from Adafruit. And this will all be, well, obviously the power supplies themselves are waterproof. They'll be attached to the back of this box, and all the electronics will go inside of there. The whole thing will actually go into a grow tent that will be sitting in one of my living rooms, in one of my spare bedrooms. And that will be where everything will be at. I will be constructing a hydroponic system. All of this will be attached to it. I'll attach the LED lights to one of these relays. I'll attach the pumps for the LED for the basically running the water and running the hydroponic fluid through the system to one of these relays. And I'll have fans, probably two different types of fans connected to these relays. That'll give me 4 relays, 4 things to connect to this guy. I'll also be soldering on some additional pins to the board here, so I can run some sensors off the SparkCore and get basically log what the current temperature is, how long the lights have been on, maybe a couple of things like that, humidity. We'll see. I'm not exactly sure. I'll be recording it at this point. But as this light is right now, obviously it's not hooked up to the relay board. So right now it's currently wired to be on if I plug it into the wall. So to give you an idea of just how blindingly bright this LED is right now, I will go ahead and turn off my main light here and plug in the LED light. And the camera will probably not be able to even photograph it properly. So let's see what happens. I guess you can see a little bit. It's not quite as bad as I thought it would be. But that's my this is my Hackaday project. Hopefully in the future, I'll have some more components other than just a bright, blindingly bright grid of LEDs. Talk to you soon.